Hi guys! If you're filmmakers and prefer recording 4K footage, then you will agree with me that camera battery life is a real problem. So if you want to know how to solve it for less than 50 bucks, then keep on watching. So basically there are two ways you can solve this problem. First of all, you can simply get yourself 2 or 3 additional batteries. It will cost you up to 200 bucks. By the way, this is Fujifilm X-T3 original battery. It gives me 45 to 60 minutes of recording time in 4K. The situation is pretty similar with Sony APS-C cameras, and with Sony full-frame cameras you can get up to 90 minutes of recording time, but when you're shooting 4K with, for example, Sony A7 III, it heats up pretty quickly and can simply shut down during the recording. Unfortunately, I am not a Canon or Panasonic user, but as far as I know, the situation is pretty similar with Canon R series and Panasonic S series. So, here is a simple solution of this problem. It is a dummy battery. It fits perfectly in your original battery compartment and can provide you 5 to 10 hours of battery lifetime. It depends on your power bank, but your power bank should have Quick Charge 3 or power delivery option, so your camera thinks that you are connected to power socket.
For example, let's visit Amazon site, and I decided to add dummy battery connectors for popular mirrorless cameras on the market. Here, as you can see, I added dummy battery connector for Sony mirrorless cameras, for APS-C and full-frame cameras, for Canon, for Panasonic and for Fuji. And as you can see, they all cost way less than 50 bucks separately. You can also type in, for example, Anker power bank with quick charge option. And here is a huge list of power banks with big and small capacity. And for example, such a power bank with 13,000 milliamps capacity can provide you 5 hours of recording time. Or you can also look for power bank on Chinese sites, Chinese marketplaces, and you can find cheaper options, but always be careful and double check the seller's ratings and customers' reviews.
There are a lot of different options on the internet. For example, you can use power bank or NPF battery. You just have to find the perfect connector for you to use on everyday basis. So basically this is it. Dummy battery connector is a simple and cheap solution of camera battery life problem, almost for any popular camera on the market today. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and a comment below. It will be much appreciated. Thanks so much for watching, and till next time.